Hi girls, this lesson is going over composite functions. So FOG represents the composite function of f and g. It means we apply the f function after we apply the g function to x. So order is really important. I'll teach you how to remember what to do. So now something went wrong with my computer here. It's got a weird something on top of it. So basically that should just say FOG of x equals, and the rest is right. So it's f of g of x. Girls, you work inside out. So from x, you first apply g, and then the result you get there is then you apply f on it. So I'll show you in an example. So let f of x be x squared and g of x be 2x plus 3. Find FOG of x. So girls, I really strongly recommend first, you can write FOG of x, but then rewrite it as f of g of x. Put g inside x, the second one inside the first one, because that will keep you on track. Always write this line. Then that becomes f of g of x, so which would be 2x plus 3. So it's f of 2x plus 3. So as we learned in a previous lesson, we just put 2x plus 3 inside wherever x is in f of x. So this now becomes 2x plus 3 all squared. So 2x plus 3 goes inside where this x is, and this x is being squared. So we have to square all of 2x plus 3. And then when you square that, you should get 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now, question B. Now it's the other way around. Sorry about the notation. It should be GOF of x equals g of fx, again I always write that line, which equals g of, what's fx? Oh, it's x squared, which equals, so I just get 2x squared plus 3, because we put this x squared where x is in g, so it becomes 2x squared plus 3. Now, once again, I want to do an extra example, just because I realize there's something else you should know. Question 2. If fx equals, let's say, root x, and g of x equals 5x minus 4, find FOG of the number 3. So now we got to put a 3 in it. So again, FOG of 3 equals f of g of 3. Guys, again, it's so important to write that first line. Never skip that. And that becomes f of, well, what's g of 3? So if we put 3 in here, we get 5 times 3 minus 4. Now you can actually do this calculation inside these brackets here. It's up to you. But I'm just doing it on the side here. 15 minus 4, which is 11. So I'm just going to put 11 right in there for g of 3, because that's g of 3. And so now I want to find f of 11, which is just the square root of 11. So it's not so bad. You can go straight to f of g of 3, find g of 3, put it inside f, and then substitute it into the formula. So it's actually quite simple. So I hope this was clear. The exercise to do now is exercise 2D. Please do a variety of those to make sure that you understand the concepts here.